Hi everyone, it's Pam. Welcome back to my channel. We're here for hashtag Tag Tuesday, and today we're going to make a couple more tags for my growing cat journal. So let's get started. Thank you all for coming. I hope you're all doing well today. So the first one I'm going to do, slide these out of the way. Pick this background. These are some new punches that I got over the weekend. So cool. I really like that. And I found this little fella. He's wearing a top hat. Is he not precious? And so I typed this. Putting on my top hat, but no place to go. So let's get him decorated up here. Of course, I have my proverbial everlasting tea bags because I drink so much tea and I save all my tea bags. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put him. I really like this paper. It looks like weathered wood. Thought it was really cool. Okay, so let's get this little guy glued on here. I'm going to put this. Okay. Get my glue going. I hate it when it plugs up right at the end there. Let me see. Here we go. I think I just broke the ice. We'll see in a second here. One new thing that I've been doing is I had my first live sale with Lisa from Flippin' Crazy and Irene from Irene and Leo. And there was like 10 of us that we all came on and we sold things that we made with our hands. So we're working on a second sale, and if you keep a watch on my channel or theirs, you'll see the announcement coming of when the next sale is going to come. There's quite a few of us, and we all have different things that we make. So it'll be a lot of fun. Okay, so I want to put this little guy down. Get him over just a little bit. Oh, he's so cute. He's just too darn cute. I love all cats, but there's something about little black cats that are just so adorable. And here's my tea bag. Yes. So we're going to glue this onto the tea bag, and then we'll glue it down. Let's get it enough to stick down onto that. I'm going to have to tear a little bit more of this off. I don't want to cover up his little feet, his little tail. He's too cute. I probably should have used a smaller punch on the corners. But it's a little too late now, so we'll just go with the flow. What have I always said? When life hands you lemons, make that good old lemonade. And we're getting into summertime, and lemonade sounds awful good. Especially if it's fresh squeezed lemons. Okay, let's try this. Yeah, that'll work. Okay. Let's glue this down. And get my ooey gooey glue out. The weather's just been absolutely gorgeous here. It's like in the 70s. Sunshiny. cool at night. Perfect. There. There he is. Isn't he cute? I don't think it needs anything else. I think that's perfect. Because you want him to be the focal point. Okay, so we got him done. The next one is, oh, I love this one. This is really pretty. It's like a bluish print, floral print. And again, I used, this is the other stamp punch that I got. Got like a little star in the middle. And I found this. Oh, I love this one. He's going to say his prayers before he goes to sleep at night. Just so sweet. So I typed this out and it says, "Now me lay me down to sleep. Please watch over me, Jesus." So precious. So we'll get him glued down. I know I'm a little more formal in my tags. I've tried to do like scrappy ones, and I don't know. I just keep going back to, I mean, I'm using scraps, but it just seems so organized and not as fancy as some of the other ladies that are in the collab, but I do my best. Okay, let's see. Put that about right. There. Isn't he cute? He's so cute. I just love him. You gotta love cats. You gotta love cats. They are God's gift. Whenever you're feeling down, they're right there for you. I remember years ago when I broke my ankle, I had two cats at that time. I had Audrey and Chloe. And the whole time I was home, when my husband would leave for work, one of them was on the couch with me. And they would take turns. When one needed a break, then the other one would come and sit with me. And they stayed right with me through the whole thing until I could get up and move around. And I just thought, animals can be so loyal, and I truly think that, especially cats, dogs probably do too. I'm not a dog person, but I think that animals, they know when you're sad or you're upset or you're hurting, and they're just there, and they just love you no matter what. And there, let's see, how's that? Yeah, that'd be great. I've had cats almost my whole life. Right now we have two orange boys. My husband named them Augustus and Bartholomew, which I call them Bart and Gussie, okay? But Augustus, once in a while, I'll call him out and I'll say, "Augustus Liebsching." He's, that is precious. Absolutely precious. Let's see, it looks a little. Is it me that's crooked or is this crooked? Just a little bit. There we go. Okay. The next one, is another little precious one. First of all, this is like a rosy pink, blush pink color. And again, my new punch with the stars in it. And look at this little treasure. Somebody made him a hat. Is that not precious? I'm telling you, look at the look on that baby's face. I had so much fun making these, or picking pictures out and just get ready to make them. I was excited to come on. Like I said, you have to love cats in order to enjoy these. But I know a couple people. Hi, Lisa. I know you are a cat lover, and I invited you to come on and watch after you get done with your video. I think you'll just love these little guys. And girls. We don't know really which ones they are. So I'm going to put that up here. Okay. I just love, look at them little feet down there. And how it's holding his little front legs. It's just so cute. So I said, me wants to know, do you want to go outside and play? Oh, I know people probably think I'm crazy, but you know what? It's what life is all about. Gotta have joy. You might not always be happy, but you can have joy in your heart. I'm gonna put some tea bag on. Turn these corners off. So not so square. Wait till you see this last one. I found the picture on Pinterest, and I was just like, oh, you got to be kidding me. I just thought it was so wonderful. Let's see. Oh, I don't want to cover up his feet. Can I tear this off anymore? Let's see if I can. So in the town where I live this weekend, we're having what they call Arts on the Square, where there's going to be, it's a craft fair, but it's all items that people have made themselves. And so it should be fun to pop down and see what's available this year. I always enjoy seeing what people make with their hands. Okay, let's try this. That's good. We'll do that. We shall do that. I get my glue to come down. There we go. So my husband is busy tonight and I don't have to cook dinner. Yay! Like I have a night off. There we go. Now wouldn't you like to go outside and play with him? I mean, come on. Turn this just a smidgen. Oh, there we go. A little straighter. Yeah. What a cutie pie. I mean, look at that face. Couldn't you just kiss it and kiss it? Okay, now this last one is amazing. First of all, this paper is cool. It's like brick, but worn. You know, it looked like maybe it was painted and then worn off. But look at this. This is, I believe this is a Maine Coon cat. And somebody put like a little belt on it. So it looks like from Star Wars, remember Chewbacca? Only they called him Mewbacca. M-E-U. I love it. Absolutely love it. And then I got down at the bottom, it says, Me is Mewbacca, the Wookiee cat. So, first I think I'm going to go ahead and put this on here. got stain all over my fingers from aging the edges on these pieces. And, okay. Mia's Mewbaka. And let's tear this down a little bit. I love this time of year when you can open the windows and just have a nice fresh breeze blowing in before it gets really, really screaming hot. Okay, let's put Mewbaka on here. Okay, let's see. Where are we gonna put him? I gotta put him up pretty high, so I might have to cover up some of the punch out. That's okay. Oh, he's so cute. I had a cat similar to this who passed away, but his name was, when we first got him, there was he and his two sisters, and I thought they were all girls. And the first day I took him to the vet says, "And what did you name this one?" And I said, "Rosie." And he said, "Well, there's Rosie Greer." And I'm like, "What are you telling me?" He goes, "Well, this one's a boy." And I go, No. I says, "I checked. It's a girl." He goes, "No." He goes, "It's a boy. It's a boy." So when I came home, I told my husband, and so we changed his name to Stewie. So Stuart, but we call him Stewie. And he was a real treasure, I tell you. Big boy, big cat. Beautiful, beautiful cat. Let's see if I can put that down. Right there, I think. It's a Mewbaka. Oh, golly. So those are my tags for today. I hope you enjoyed watching me put them together. Just treasures, absolute treasures. Let's see, we got this little guy, and this little guy, and the little top hat, and the little one praying. Are just precious, absolutely precious. Thank you for watching. I hope that you'll give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. I'm working my way up to 500 subscribers. When I do, I'm going to have a great giveaway, or several giveaways. We'll see. And share my video. Get your friends to come and watch. I try to make it entertaining, but also tutorials to help you who are just getting into junk journaling. So I hope that you all have a great day, and until we meet again, God bless you, everyone. Bye-bye.